Hey freelance lawyers, Sonrisa here again, and another question that I get asked frequently by new and aspiring freelance attorneys is whether or not we as freelance lawyers need to be barred in the jurisdictions in which we are freelancing. The answer to this question is threefold. The answer is no, but it depends, and be careful. So I'll unpack this a little bit for you. No, you do not need to be barred necessarily everywhere where you are freelancing. For example, with my business model and the business model of some of my colleagues, the services that I am providing to other lawyers and law firms do not qualify as the practice of law. So I stay away from anything that could be considered practicing law, and therefore I can provide support across jurisdictions in different states. So I'm staying away from these activities that could be considered the practice of law. I am checking with the local jurisdictions. I am making sure my attorney clients know this, and it's also, I make it abundantly clear in my work agreement the services that I provide and what I don't provide, and that I will not be practicing law. So under that model, you do not have to be barred in every jurisdiction, and this model allows me to work across jurisdictions. However, it does depend on that very thing, if you're practicing law or not. If you are providing any services that could qualify as the practice of law, then as we know, we're all lawyers, then you need the bar to practice law. So if you're providing any kinds of services that qualify as the practice of law, again, then you'll need to be barred in the jurisdiction. So the third part of this answer is to be careful, is to take a look at where you want to work, what the jurisdiction is, what the local rules are, what the services are that you are going to provide. And you can use that analysis to determine whether or not you need the bar or not. So it really boils down to practicing law, practice of law, you need the bar. And we all know that as lawyers, if you're not practicing law, then you have more flexibility. This is a topic I've spent a lot of time researching and looking into, and just making sure that the language in my agreement is very precisely chosen to reflect what I am doing and what I am not doing. So that is the answer to today's question. I get far more to detail in this topic in my community, in my program, which is called Freelance Lawyer Academy. If you want to learn more about that, then check out the link below, and I will talk to you soon.